Welcome to my channel, and now we are going to be working on these problems using this AutoCAD. And the question one that we have here says construction of an octagon. And the question says that a triangle EFA has a length on sides AB 70 millimeters, AC 65 millimeters, and BC 60 millimeters. Construct the triangle and draw a circumscribed circle to it. Draw an octagon within the circle. So that is the question I should have it there. So now, let's see how this construction can be done. So the first thing that we have to do here is to draw a horizontal line. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line of length 70 millimeters, which is for AB. So we have 70 millimeters to enter. So then the next thing that I'm going to do is to draw line AC or length AC and length BC of the triangle. So I'm going to come here to arc and pick this particular type of arc. Then I need to put off the auto mode. Then I will click on this point. Then I'm going to give it a radius of 65 millimeters. This is 65. So enter. Then we go in this direction. Okay, so then we take the arc again. So we want to draw that of BC. So we want to draw that of BC. As we are told that the length of BC in the question is 60 millimeters. So we give it a length of 60 millimeters. So we press enter key on the keyboard. So here we have this, okay? So now the next that I'm going to do is that, so I'm going to take a line and then I will join this point and the point of intersection of the arcs together. And again, so I will also repeat the line. So take it from here to the point of intersection of the arc. So we have drawn the triangle ABC. So I'm going to label this point, okay? So click on text and select single line text. So we give it a height of 2 and the rotation angle is 0. So then, so here we have this point. So this point here is point A. So this point is point B, while this point here is point C. So we have this, okay? All right, so we are drawing the triangle as we are instructed. So let's make sure we can see this triangle. So we select the lines and then I'm going to choose a particular line here. So line thickness, okay, line width. All right, so this is the triangle that we have to construct. And then we ask to draw a circumscribed circle to this triangle. So so I'm going to remove this arcs. So I don't want the number of arcs that we have to be too many. So I just remove the arcs. Okay. So what we have to do now to draw a circumscribed circle to this triangle, we have to bisect any two sides. We have to bisect any two sides. Okay, so I'm going to bisect side AC and side BC. So let's do that. So I will come to arc here and select this type of arc. Then this is the center. Then I'm going to draw an arc. So I will give it a length of 50. So 50 and it goes in this direction. Okay, so then I will do it again. So repeat the arc again. So still on center A. So I'm going to draw an arc. So of length 50. Length 50. So it goes in this direction. So then I will make use of center C with the same type of arc and the same length of 50. So length 50. So length 50. So here is 50. All right, so I need to do it properly. Okay, so this is 50. So give it 50. Then it goes in this direction. So I will also repeat it again. So with center C, so give it a length of 50 and it goes like this. So we have this. Okay, so we can draw a line now to connect this point and this point together. That is bisector of AC, bisector of AC. Now, so we have to bisect BC, and to do that, so we are still making use of the same type of arc. So with point C here, so I'm going to draw an arc of the same length 50, okay? Then I will repeat it to the same length 50. All right, so it intersects the previous one. So there's nothing bad with that. So we can still leave it and just extend because we use the same length. So we use the same length. I can just extend this. So it's okay. Then I'm going to draw again using center B. Using center B. So this is center B and the same length 50. So draw like this. And then I will repeat it with the same center B. And it goes in this direction. So we are taking it down like this. So give it a distance of 50. All right, so it goes like this. So that's it. So I can now draw a line. Can I draw a line? So from this point to this point here. So that's it. Okay, so this is the center of the circle or circumscribed circle. So I'm going to be copying this. So I want us to have a center for the circle. So I'm going to copy this and bring it to this point. Okay. All right. So then I'm going to edit it and call it center O of the circle. All right. So we can now take a circle. Okay. So coming to this point, and then the radius is going to repeat this. I don't have it where I want to have it, so it doesn't touch the vertex very well. So I'm going to repeat it. So using this particular one. All right, so that's it. So we are going to make this circle. All right, so that's it. So we have drawn the circumscribed circle to the triangle as you can see here on the screen. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw an octagon on this inside this circle as we are instructed in the question. So to do that, so I'm going to draw the diameter of this circle. Okay, but I'm going to divide the diameter into 8 equal parts. So that is what I'm going to divide diameter into 8 equal parts. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to use so we're going to draw a line. So we draw a line. So at an angle to the diameter of the circle, and I'm going to make 8 equal division on this line. Okay, so I will make use of arc or arcs to do that. So this is the center. I'll give it a radius of 10. Radius of 10. Here we have the arc. Okay. Then I will repeat it. So this is the center for this. So a radius of 10. So this is true. Then I will take it again. So this is the center. So radius of 10 again, the radius of 10. It goes this way. Then I will take it again. So this is the center. So radius of 10 again. It goes this way, that is 4. So I will take it again. So this is the center. So I give it a radius of 10. So it goes like this. Then I will take it again. So that is 5. So this is the center. So radius of 10. So that's 6. So take it again. So give it a radius of 10. Then this is 7. Then the last one. So this is the center. Give it 10 as the radius. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next thing that we are going to do is that, so join this point together. Join this point together. Then we now copy this. So we copy this line. So we copy it here. So we are going to drop it. So I want to make sure we can see the point. So we drop it here. And we drop it here. So we drop it here. We drop it here. We drop it here, and here. All right, so we have that. So I'm going to trim these lines. I'm going to trim them. So we trim this. All right, so that's what we have there. So we have 8 equal points on this line. So I'm to number them. I'm going to copy this. This is I want to number each of the points. All right, so we have this. I'm going to change this. I will edit it. So this is 1. So this point here is 0.2. So this is 0.3. Here is 0.4. So this point here is 5. This is 0.6. This is 0.7. And this is 0.8. So we have all this. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we are going to, so take the arc from here. So take this point as center. And then, so the length, so what is the length of the line? So we need to determine that before we draw. So I will click on dimension and take the distance from here to here. So what's distance from here to here? So let's scroll and see. This is 76.4576, 764576. So that's what we have here. So 764576. So we take the arc. So we come to this point and we are going to give it, okay, so even if I do not measure, I can still make it something like this. So without taking the measurement, okay, I just need to draw this arc. Okay, so I can drop it like this. And also I will repeat the same thing. So coming to this point, and from here, I will stretch it to this point. Then I will draw an arc. Okay, sorry. So I have to make use of distance in that case because of where I'm going to move the arc. So the distance is 76.4576. Okay, so it will come like this and also rest at this point. That's it. Okay, so we have this done. All right, so don't forget that we want to draw an octagon. That is what we asked to do. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to draw a line right from this point of intersection of the arcs and to pass through point 2. To pass through this point 2, and then so we take it down here. Okay, so I'll just come and extend it through that point. Okay, so I'll just take it like this and extend. Wherever it touches here on the circle, we drop it there. So that's it. So let me check that point very well. So we need to check. All right, so okay, so we have it now. So what we are going to do now is that, so we are going to join this point and this point together. So I'm going to take a line and join this point together like this. All right, so this is the first length of the octagon that we are asked to draw. That was the first length of the octagon that we are asked to draw. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to know the length. So I will click on dimension here and pick this type of dimension that is aligned. So I need to measure it. So distance from here to here. So what is the distance? Okay. So what's distance? That's 29.3479. 29.3479 is that distance. So I want to make sure I have it typed on my phone. So 29.3479. So, okay, so, all right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to get the arcs drawn on the circle. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll be taking this arc, okay, again. So taking this point as center, then I'm going to draw from here. I'm going to draw from here, giving it a distance of 29.3479. So we draw like this. That does not work. Sorry, I'm supposed to go anti-clockwise. So from this point, we give it a distance of 29.3479. All right, so it goes like this. That's it. So that's another point. So then I will repeat the arc. So make use of this point as center and then give it a distance of 29.3479. It goes like this. So that was another point. So, and then we repeat it. Okay. So this is center now. We give it a distance of 29.3479. All right, so we take it again. Now we give it a distance of 29.3479. All right, so then we take it again. So this is center. So we give it a distance of 29.3479. 3479. All right, so then I think we're having the last one now. So this is center. So giving it a distance of 29.3479. All right, so there is it. All right, so we have located each point. So what we need to do now is to join them together with a straight line. So we join this together, and then we join this together. So we join this together. Then we join this together. So we join this together. Then we join this together. And then lastly, we join this together. All right, so we have it. So we are going to thicken the length or side of the polygon. All right, so I'm going to select this. Okay, so we have the polygon in place as we are instructed. So it's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. And when practice, you become a master at it. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.